Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. If you noticed in the thumbnail, and we'll get to the bottom of this pretty quickly, but I have two, this is just one of them. I have two XO Marshmallow boxes. I don't know why. I did the April box. I would have guessed this was May. It's June, but I think it's too early for a June box. So you know what? Let's just not question anymore. Let's get in here and see what I've got. I'm just gonna go ahead. That was my knife, it just almost dropped in my lap. Oh, we have to be careful. I will do like I always do. I will open these upstairs and then we will go downstairs and taste them. What you guys don't know is it's not usually the same day because I tape so much up here. By the time I go downstairs, I'm like, we'll do it tomorrow. But we'll see if we can get, so many of you have called him and it's adorable. We'll see if we can get Mr. Kathrin involved. I can't manage to get anything but his voice on tape, but I told him you guys were writing Mr. Kathrin and it's hilarious. So, well packed. I guess I should talk about the box. XO Marshmallow is a marshmallow subscription box from XO Marshmallow. And each month you get 2 boxes of 12 marshmallows. It is $29.95. You get an extra gift, which is your bonus gift, which is what that is, I would imagine. Oop, something else. Interested to see what that is. And then you get your 2 boxes of marshmallows. I'm gonna try not to look at these, and I'm gonna open both of the boxes because I wanna see what's going on. And just for the record, we get a lot of paperwork. And ooh, this looks like a whole sheet of stickers this month. My girls are gonna love that. So let's dig into this second box and see what it is. Because like I said, I don't think I should have 2 boxes yet. This is a completely different box. This is interesting. I have no idea what this is. Reading the paperwork on the back, this is my May and my June boxes. So my June box just came super early this month because truth be told, I am taping this on June 7th and I already have my June box. That's amazing. So let's start with May because clearly I was behind with May. So for May, let's first open up our extras. So in addition to your marshmallows each month, you get some kind of extra special treat. For May, we actually got 2 extra treats. We got this really bright, fun pie server, which is fun because I have those tongs that are kind of like this. That it's gonna be a neat set. It came in another box. I'm not sure which box that came in. That's just a nice pie server and it's like melamine is what it feels like. And then we also received a blueberry lemon thyme jam impressa by the Gracious Gourmet. And it's just blueberry, sugar, lemon juice, pectin, salt, and thyme. That is all that's in here. So you know what? We will try this when we try the marshmallows too. Blueberry lemon thyme sounds fantastic. So digging into May's marshmallows, we have the first one. Oh, blueberry cobbler marshmallows. Deliciously handcrafted set of 12, best by August 17th. So yay, they are not any the worse for wear for not having been immediately opened. They are gluten-free, egg-free, preservative-free. So blueberry cobbler, oh, and themed, we got this was the blueberry lime, so that is really cool. This says Maize Mallow. Blueberry cobbler is a warm, comforting dessert mixing toaster pastry with wild, fresh blueberries. We threw in some of our gluten-free graham cracker bits along with the fan favorite blueberry flavor to bring you a dynamic and delicious marshmallow of the month. So I can't wait to try these. I'm telling you right now, I'm not sure I'm getting my husband to try these. He does not love a blueberry. How can you not love a blueberry? Our second marshmallow, you might not love this either, is strawberry cheesecake. Gluten-free, egg-free, preservative-free. And I mention that because not all of the marshmallows are always gluten-free or egg-free or vegan, or they vary. So I tell you the high points that they hit each month on the back. And this says, paired with a classic, cheesecake is a light, fresh dessert made with whipped cream cheese, a crumbly crust, and often topped with fresh fruit. Our strawberry cheesecake marshmallows are bite-sized bits of heaven. They sound like it. I can't wait to get in there. So for May, we got the pie server, the jam, and our 2 flavored marshmallows. Let's see what we got for June because in theory, the June one is very timely. Let's open our extra, which looks really cool. It's by Doc and Bay. I don't know what it is yet. It feels kind of canvasy. Oh, it's in a bag. It feels canvasy because it's in a bag. How cute is that? And in theory, it's just a reusable bag housing whatever this is. What is that? It feels really interesting. It feels kind of like a sheet. Let's see if I can find more information on this. It says Doc and Bay, A Brit, Andy, and an Aussie, Ben, started Doc and Bay by drinking too much after work one day. Sharing a passion for travel and not taking themselves too seriously, they pulled down a red curtain from the wall and stuck pieces of white paper to it, creating their first towel design with our now iconic stripes. And the rest is, as they say, history. So this is a towel. It absolutely feels like a sheet. It's huge. I mean, can you guys... Oh my gosh, hold on a second. I am super duper intrigued now. It is so pretty. This is the width. Wow, I'll try and get you a size in a minute. And then the length, I don't know that I can, whoop, it's about me. It's about, don't they say that if you go if you put your arms straight out, tip to tip, it is how tall you are? Well, when I stand up very, very tall, I'm about 5'6". And this is about, what? Almost 3 inches short on each side. So that would be 6. So this would be 5. So I would say this is about 60 inches. Let's see, but see how pretty it is? And I don't know if I can get it across, but guys, it feels like a sheet. I want to get it wet and see how it absorbs so bad. This says it is 35 by 65. Well, I'm 66. So either the arm thing isn't true or this doesn't measure right. We'll go ahead and trust them and not my statistically inaccurate arm measurement. It is a cabana towel with a summer twist, and it's made from 100% recycled materials. It is 83% polyester and 17% polyamide. 100% recycled, quick drying, super absorbent, sand-free, odor-free. So it must not, I can see how if you laid this out, it wouldn't gather sand. That's interesting. And 5% of their profits go to charities that they care about. We have talked about this towel for a whole lot for a marshmallow box, but I find it very interesting. Okay, I wonder if, because this is my first summer, if in the summer our marshmallows will always come in this bag. I'm slightly worried that this looks like it might have had dry ice in it. I guess, I mean, since it's been in my house, it should be fine, but yeah, wow, I could have cut right through that. So that's good to know for the summer, is that you're gonna get a Uline cold pack, single use, colder than ice, non-toxic. Oh, well, that's good to know. Right on top we have, oh my goodness. Okay, you know how I said my husband was gonna love either of the first two? I'll make him eat them to get to this reward. This one is sour lemon lime marshmallows. He's the one that's gonna love these. I'm gonna be like, sour things hit hard with me. I drool like a little puppy. It's just, I don't do, let me know below, do you do sour well? I do not and have not. It's not like, oh, in my older age. No, I have never done sour well. Those are such a bright lemon lime flavor that is amazing. These are also gluten-free, egg-free, and preservative-free. This is the mallow of the month, and it says sweet citrus and sour are the 3 biggest takeaways from this month's marshmallow. Sour lemon lime is your favorite tart candy meets ooey gooey marshmallow, and we are not mad about it. Treat yourself to a bite of summer. Okay, let's see what the other one is. Hopefully something for me. It is, oh my gosh. Guys, XO Marshmallow, creamsicle marshmallows. There are a few, chocolate is one of them, few sweet flavors that I enjoy more than creamsicle. I love a creamsicle flavor. I got, because I haven't gone off on enough tangents here, I got a Ninja Creamy, C-R-E-A-M-I, which is an ice cream maker, but it makes it in the pints. It's a whole interesting thing. If you guys have any interest in seeing that, let me know. Paired with a classic, that faint song of the ice cream truck turning down our block, that's what we think about when we bite into creamsicle marshmallows. Reminiscent of the orange popsicles of summers past, we took this much beloved treat and turned it into our summer seasonals marshmallow. My mouth is almost watering. I cannot wait to go into these. That whole story I told earlier about probably not gonna do it today also might have been a lie because these flavors sound fantastic. So you have great taste, darling. So this is just questions about, you know, I love these so much, can I get more? That kind of thing. They tell you all about XO Marshmallow. And then in both months, we got these really cute stickers. We used to just get one little sticker, but last 2 months we've gotten, or both of these months, last 2 months, like I remember, we got these sheets. So that's really cool. Okay, let's go downstairs and taste them. Guys, we're down here. I'm using my camera. I'm waving my husband in. I'm down here. I'm using my camera. We're going to give these a test. So what I've done is I've taken our 4 marshmallows. We'll taste the same ones at the same time. So I've taken these and cut them in half. So I'm tidying now, guys. I have to be better. First out, we have the strawberry cheesecake marshmallows. This is what they look like in their little bag, in their box. So here goes. Let me just tell you right now, he does not love strawberries or cheesecake, so he's really taking one for the team. Strawberry. No cheesecake.
Yeah, strawberry. I don't really taste cheesecake at all.
Kind of like Quick. Not even like a real strawberry. Did you ever drink strawberry Quick since you didn't? Yeah.
Yeah.
It's kind of like that. It's more like candy than strawberries or cheesecake.
I agree.
All right, that one was good. I will enjoy that thoroughly. Would you eat that again?
I would eat that again.
He would eat that again. Okay, next we have our little blueberry one. Blueberry cobbler? Yes, blueberry cobbler. They look kind of odd in the bag, I will admit. They're kind of brown. It doesn't at all look like mold. It looks kind of like baked. So here's hoping I'm right about that. Oh, he doesn't like this one, I can tell.
I think that odd color is like a coating of some kind.
Maybe like a brown sugar?
Yeah, like a sugar substance of some kind.
The strawberry one tasted totally like strawberry candy. It didn't taste like strawberries per se. This tastes like you're eating a fresh blueberry. That blueberry flavor in this tastes to me like, well, you probably don't know what real blueberries taste like because you don't eat blueberries, right?
But yeah, no, I mean it does.
It tastes more like a real blueberry than the strawberry tasted like strawberry. Okay, next. Creamsicle. I think we're waiting for this one. Okay, to my way of thinking, I don't know how you could ever possibly go wrong with creamsicles. It's one of my favorite flavors. Also, if you have an Arby's near you, they have a creamsicle, what's it called?
It's creamsicle.
They have a creamsicle milkshake. It's called something like that right now. I can't have it anymore because I'm being good, but it was delicious. We're both just doing
Yeah,
this.
that's good. Yeah. I definitely would eat those again.
He's literally, I have the bag in my hand, he's literally like eyeing the bag. Yeah, that was delicious. And our last one, these were these crazy lime green, lime yellow ones. What were they called? Sour lemon lime. This is the one that he's probably gonna like actually more than me because, go ahead, you see how sour it is first. I don't love sour things. He and our daughter both enjoy, yeah. He's making yes face.
It's very good. It is sour. It's not crazy sour.
Oh, crazy sour.
I mean, I guess compared to what? But yeah, those are good.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna drown. I'm drooling so bad. Oh my gosh. I just genetically, I'll be back. That was insane. My mouth just flooded with water. It is so sour. It is exactly what it says. It's sour lemon lime. It's, I mean,
very good. Very delicious.
yeah, see, he loves that. Was that your, did you like it better than the creamsicle?
I don't know. The creamsicle, I mean, the creamsicle and that one, they're totally different taste profiles.
I would probably go creamsicle, strawberry, blueberry. Please don't make me eat the sour again would be my order. And you would go creamsicle, sour, strawberry. Please don't make me eat the blueberry again.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. Okay, that's our XO Marshmallow tasting for this month. Boy, I can't wait to see what next month brings. Okay, I have to go get water. Bye, guys.